Hello everyone. I've dropped the camera, so let me get that fixed first of all so that we can actually see what's going on. Okay, so we're at the end of our piece. We're going to be cutting out around our blanket stitches. And this is done from behind the work. This is the back of the work. Now this I will definitely have to sit down for, so I'm going to sit down, stand up, and I'll sit down, I'll get my scissors in, I'll stand up and try to make sure I can get it into the camera so you can see. So let's get started. This I will do lots of times, 1 or 2 threads at a time. Sometimes if I can get more I will, but it takes a lot longer than the cloister blocks to do this. Just to give you a little heads up on it, be patient. You don't want to cut any of these threads, especially after you've worked on the whole piece. So can you see here, I'm on the back of the work. I've lifted 2 threads, made sure they are away from the DMC pearl cotton, and I can clip. So again, I'm going to sit down. I'll lift some more. And this, like I said, it's a slower process. I've lifted some more threads and clip. Now the corners I find are the most difficult, so be very careful around the corners. Now once we get into the straightaway, this part might be a little bit. So again, I've got a couple of threads, and here I can probably get more threads. And you can see here, see how I have it? I've got my blade, I've got the cloister, not the cloister, no, the blanket stitch. The DMC pearl cotton is to the right of my blade. If you're left-handed, I'm guessing you would keep it to the left of your blade. So I'm keeping mine to the right of my blade and cut. And I'm going to do this all the way around. And then you end up with it cut out. And there you go, a nice little finished piece. Now it occurred to me with the pattern that I drew, if someone is interested in this pattern, I can probably put 1 or 2 more explanations on here, and I can mail it to you. So if you are interested in getting this little sampler pattern, I will mail it to you. I'll make a photocopy. It's very rough, but it'll give you the counting, so you can count. You can count your cloister blocks, you can count the threads in between. If you want to give it a try, let me know, and I can send it out to you. I have no problem doing that. As I said, I don't have a scanner, so I won't be scanning it, but if you want it sent to you, let me know, and I will send it out. Thus ends our lessons. Look at that. So you have a little coaster, and there's another little coaster. You can do this in any color of threads. This thread is the Caron watercolors, I believe it is, and I don't remember the thread name or number, but it's a Christmassy type of color. With the Caron watercolors, those are 3-ply, and you take 1 of the plies for each when you're doing your satin stitching. The DMC pearl cotton number 5, which I've used for the satin stitching, is just 1 ply, so you don't have to split the plies. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Your comments have been lovely, and I look forward to seeing your work if you do get into it. Thanks so much, and please do ask questions. Bye-bye.